Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y76 5G, and today I would like to show you how to use split screen view on this smartphone. First of all, select one of your apps, like Chrome, and tap on it. Then you need to click on this button with three lines and tap on this little icon of an app. Over here, click on split screen and tap on the other app, for example, Messages. As you can see, now I can operate in both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!